Sewing station fold-away storage solutions let hobbyists create a full workspace that disappears when not in use. Start by choosing a wall-mounted sewing cabinet with a fold-down work surface sized to fit your machine and allow elbow room when seated. Mount the cabinet at a height that places the machine bed at or slightly below elbow height when you are seated to protect your shoulders and neck. Integrate thread and notion storage using removable pegboards or narrow pull-out drawers so you can see colors and grab items with one hand while keeping small parts contained. Include cutting mat storage slots that hold mats vertically to save surface area and prevent warping. Insert thin foam or felt liners so mats slide without damage. Use shallow rolling fabric drawers on lockable tracks for short-term project staging so fabrics are visible and accessible without digging through stacks. Stow a foldable ergonomic chair under the work surface using either a dedicated tuck-away cradle or a low-profile hook so seating is ready but out of the way. Common problems start with poor mounting that allows sag or wobble, which stresses the cabinet and machine. Fix this by anchoring to wall studs or using high-quality toggle anchors rated for the cabinet weight plus dynamic loads. Another issue is cluttered storage that still feels chaotic. Combat that by using clear labeled containers, modular dividers, and a one project per drawer rule so you only store what you need for the current project. The third frequent concern is poor lighting that makes precision work difficult. Solve it by installing an under-cabinet LED strip with adjustable color temperature and a swing arm task lamp for fine stitching and pattern matching. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and locate ideas for creating fold-away sewing stations in small homes. We also help contractors find work and connect with hobbyists through our discussion community where users share plans, tips, and supplier suggestions.